Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel. And man, it feels like forever ago since I filmed a video. Oh man, but it feels good to be back and I'm really excited because I have an unboxing that I've been waiting for a long time. It is the October Simply Gilded box called Home Sweet Home. As you can see, look here, it says there's no place like home. Super cute, and I love this plaid print of this soft pink, and there's even some more kind of soft navy blue. And look at this little house. You could even cut this out and make it to a die cut and some sort of journaling card or print even. You can get so creative with these. Alright, so opening it up. It's very thick, it's stuffed. And I believe I've actually been spared from having the mystery item revealed to me. So I will be revealing the mystery item here. You will see my reaction. I don't know what it is. It's gonna be exciting to finally see what it is. I don't know if I should just pull one thing at a time. Maybe I will do that actually. So there's one big thing in here, and it is a mini sticker album which has this beautiful print which I love. Look how pretty this is. I love the colors. There's even, I think, some more of like a greenish blue as well. And the gold, and just, I mean, it's also like super soft, kind of ivory pink on the inside with a little pocket. Love the scallops, and there's also a D ring here, so you could attach a charm or something. And it's just, you know, the regular Simply Gilded mini sticker album. I love these. You can make it, you could put stickers in here, but you could also make it into some sort of little memory album or photo album or scrapbooking. This is just so cute and pretty. And I love the print. There's another big one in here which is really unique, that has never been done before, which is a weekly planner pad. At least I think that's what they call it. It's kind of like a beige, nudish color. As you can see, it's gold foiled on each and every page, which is just so fabulous. It says this week with the bows on top, and then we have, you can put the date, Monday through Saturday and Sunday. We have top goals to do and notes. I have thought about using something like this for a very long time, just to do some sort of pre-planning. I'm actually thinking of using it for meal planning, which would be great. But we'll see. We'll see how I end up using it. But either way, very practical and very pretty, first and foremost, item as well. What is next in here? We'll see. Yes, the stickers, and man. So I skipped the September box. So this is my first time receiving the new big sticker kit. Like, this is massive, guys, compared to you know, what it used to be like. And I even remember the first couple of boxes that only had one sheet that included like a few full boxes, some deco headers, and day covers, I think. But now I think it's like a full 4-page kit plus the mini sheets, which is fantastic. So we have a full kit that's gonna last a long time. We have this super pretty, once again, the plaid pattern, but this one is more green, I would say, compared, this is more blue. But these are the regular, you know, date hearts instead of date dots with some extra icons. And then we have the beautiful bow seals, bow stickers. And we have, you know, the patterns featured in the box, some florals, this beigey kind of brown, plaid, and this more nudish pink. I like that there's 2 of each. Sometimes I decide to use them like in my planner as divider tabs. Oh, I actually have this setup I'm working on right now. Here's an example. I just double layer them because they're symmetrical, and then I use them as tabs. And I think it turns out really cute having you peek out of your planner like that. So that's an idea. Then we have the actual kit, which is now 4 pages, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be interesting because I've never seen it with my own eyes. But now we have a collective page of full boxes. I'm just gonna take a pretty close up here. So it's quite a bit of baking themes. We have sugar here, And we have Let's Spice Things Up. What does it say? Black pepper, it says on there. Super cute. And it also says bay leaves. Then we have beautiful floral pattern. This looks like a bundt cake. Almost a little bit Christmassy with the decorations, don't you think? Or maybe Thanksgiving. We have plaid with a heart. Ooh, this is cute. Is that wheat? Oh, that's a beautiful illustration. Then we have, oh, such a cute house with a little wreath. So cute. And we have, oh, what's that called? It's like a baking machine. Oh, we have some pot and it's like a spatula. What does that say? Rosemary. That's so cute. So it's like cooking and baking. That's stuff that I do enjoy to do during the very dark and cold seasons here in Sweden. And we also have some headers. So then, oh no! I don't know if you can see, but the lamination, like this matte lamination that makes these really, really sturdy, it's been some sort of mishap here. I'm gonna have to contact customer service about that. Either way, you can still see what it's supposed to look like. We have beautiful full boxes. I mean half boxes. And I love that we get so many half boxes now. And they're super cute. Love the colors. And we have more headers. And for the first time ever, I believe, or at least now with the big kits, we have quarter boxes. I love all of the things that are boxes. I love full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes. For me, that makes it really easy to plan. Just put down a box and put whatever you want inside it. And we have some mini checklists and some more like tasks or headers that you can use for different things. And the third page, we have some more super cute little checklists. Some of them, like these, there's 5 different checks and there's 3 with the hearts. I really love the hearts. Those are really cute. And those you can also check in, which I think is really nice. Then we have these, which are more like flag style. I kind of want to use them, you know, horizontally. And I guess you could, but with the bows, I think they're meant to be used this way, which I'm not really sure. I don't really plan that way, but I guess I could get creative with it. I don't really know how I would use those exactly when they're not used horizontally. But either way, if you have any tips, let me know. Either way, they're really pretty and I love the color scheme. I love that there's some cooler tones like with this one, but also mixed with the warmer tones. These are really pretty decorations. I don't really know what I would use them for, but they feel more celebratory, so I would probably use them with some sort of birthday or holiday something, or just to make things a little extra pretty. I love this deco too, super cute. And then we have some little icons here as well as some bows. And fourth and last page, which is amazing now, guys, we get 4 sets of day covers. So we have 3 here, and then we have a 4th, a little mixed in there, but we get 4 different colors or like patterns too, so they're not the same. You could really get creative with this. And I mean, if you're only subscribed to the Simply Gilded box and you do not buy any other stickers, and you don't do no white space, then you could easily like stretch these kits for the whole month, waiting for your next box and your next box, you know, because now there's so much stickers to use, which is amazing. And we even get some more half boxes. I love that we get so many half boxes. Usually before, I think we only got 4 or 5, and I always use these up. Like, they're some of the first things that I use. So I'm so glad that now I have so many more to play with. I really, really love this new format. I'm really excited to try it out too. Alright, what is next in here? I am gonna take... Ooh, okay, so we have the notebook. We have a super cute, very on a very pale, like beige, nudish background with Jasper. He's adorbs. I love this kind of cartoony version of him, which is a bit different in style compared to, let's say, other years of Jasper. And the back is completely blank this time around, but this is so cute. And the inside, oh, that's cute. So it's lined actually with this kind of nudish pink bow and lines. I love when the lines are really soft like this and not like harsh and black. Just makes it really unique, I think. And what is next? Ooh, is this the mystery item? This might be it. Ooh. Whoa! Oh man, really? Is it recipe cards? Whoa, I don't own anything like this. Hold on, how many is there even? Oh, those are cute. Hold on, okay. So this is actually fantastic. So it's 4 recipe cards on this really, really nice kind of postcard thickness of cardstock. So we have recipe, title, serves, prep time, cook time, ingredients, and method. So that's really cute. That's really cute. But what I love even more is that we actually get 4 different designs. So you could actually use these as journaling cards if you want to, or frame them, or do whatever you want. So we have a super cute little Jasper one on a gray background. We have this super pretty bow, gold foiled, I love, on the plaid. And we have this on kind of a grayish brown background, that bundt cake or whatever cake that is with the wheat. Super pretty illustrations. This is my favorite, probably because it's pink, but it's kind of like a little bit of mauvey pink with the baking ingredients, sugar, eggs, flour, and butter, and the spatula. Maybe that's not a spatula actually, a spoon, like a wooden baking spoon. Super cute. I love these. This one I really want to like frame or put up somewhere because yeah, I like a lot. Okay, so that was the mystery item. What is next? I believe, yes, we get into the smaller little goodies inside the plastic bag. So exciting. Hold on. Gonna start with the journaling card, which is super cute. Says life is sweet, and once again we have kind of the baking ingredients, which matches perfectly. I want to put this up in my kitchen somewhere. And we have more ingredients and a little oven mitt, which is cute. And I love this pink like baking set with the hearts and the gold. And it's kind of like a greenish, brownish, grayish background. I don't know, the background color is very dark and a little, I'm not really sure what to call it. It's a bit different than this one, as you can tell. But I really love the illustrations and super cute font too. Let's see, I'm gonna take this little thing right here, which I love. It's a Jasper magnet, and I love Irene's magnets. Look how cute this is. This you could easily reuse in some sort of way, because it's super pretty, and I love that. Jasper is adorable, and I love that there's gold. He's so cute. I love this version of Jasper. I think it's just adorable. And also, before I get to the washi, I actually want to look at the pen right here, which is a beautiful kind of ivory color this month. It's not like a crisp white, it's a warm white, kind of like milk or cream, which is perfect based on the theme. And that rhymed. That was not intentional, I promise. But we have the standard engraved bow. It says Simply Gilded on here. And we also have this really beautiful, I guess, also engraved, embossed, I'm not really sure, bow, which is really special down here. This is a really versatile pen. You could easily put it together with other themes. It's elegant and very useful, which I love. So, getting to the washi, I'm just gonna get everything out and just take a look at this beautiful bag. Once again, this is this kind of brownish, grayish background again. So, I also have the add-on. I'm taking that last. So, let's see. What do we have? What do we have here? So, we have the beautiful plaid. I love that we get it as a washi. Look at that. Super pretty with the gold. I love that this box is gold because I love the theme, I love the colors, love the idea, and I love gold. So this box is definitely one of my favorite this year, and it's super cozy. And I can really relate to it because I've been doing a lot more baking and cooking like in the recent year or two than I ever have. So it just really fits in my life right now, which I love. This one is super cute too. I'm not opening them right now but it includes a lot of cute little baking ingredients. The only thing I wish is that it wasn't so dark. I don't know why I'm not a super fan of this darker color. It's a good contrast, but for some reason I wish it would have been pink. I'm not really sure. Either way, this one, I love the illustrations. Then we have this beautiful floral pattern, which also has this simple line, I believe it's called. And then Jasper. I love this washi. I think it's adorable. This I adore too. So these are the perforated ones. We have the days of the week with gold and on like this minty green. And then we have a bow header one in complete gold foil, which is fantastic because the one I have already I use a lot. Because whenever I can't decide on a color and I'm already using gold, I just go for the gold one because it will always work. And then I have the add-on right here, the 4 5mm add-ons. So we have a mini version of the bow plaid washi, a half and half as I like to call it, with the peachy nudish like ivory and the gold. And then we have a mint with sparkles and then this brownish grayish with hearts. Really fitting and really cute. Love all of this. Alright guys, so that was the October Home Sweet Home Simply Gilded box of 2021 and I love it so much. I think it's so cozy, cute, I've said that enough already, but either way, so glad that I was able to get this box, and I'm also really excited for the November box, which is called Iceland, which is really pretty and wintry and gorgeous too. I hope it doesn't get delayed too much, but Christmas is coming and pretty much everything in the post gets delayed, but either way, I'm excited whenever I get it, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see when or how I use it. I don't have any specific plans yet, but you never know. Sometimes inspiration strikes and then I create something out of this that you've just seen. So we'll see. And I also have lots of other content, of course, that you can check out. Planner setups, plan with me videos, more unboxings if you like that, and a bunch of things. So either way, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.